These are the best Air Jordan 4s you should buy while you can. Some of these Air Jordan 4s I think will go up in price, and some of these Air Jordan 4s are just clean, wearable sneakers at really good price points, so make sure you guys buy them while you still can. Quick giveaway update for the Reverse Mocha Travis Scotts. Today is your last and final chance. It is now November 1st. This is your last and final chance to get your giveaway entries in, because I will be picking the winner and announcing the winner in 2 videos from now. So make sure you guys stay tuned to find out if you won a free pair of Travis Scotts. And if you didn't win, don't worry, more sneaker giveaways coming. More free sneakers for the Moore family. So make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment down below, let me know your size. This is your last and final chance to win a free pair of Travis Scotts, and stay tuned, winner announced in 2 videos from now. We're gonna start this video off with a banger pair of Air Jordan 4s, the Air Jordan 4 Military Black. I think you guys need to buy these while you can, because the prices already have gone up a little bit, and I think that they will go up further. This Air Jordan 4 is clean, it's wearable. It will remind you, of course, of the military Air Jordan 4, just with black instead of blue, making it, hey, a little bit more wearable than the militaries. The color blocking is clean, it's wearable. Materials are very, very nice. Good quality leather, good quality suede. It's a clean Air Jordan 4 at the end of the day, and people are wearing these and making that resale go up. The Air Jordan 4 Military Black has been one of the most hyped sneaker releases of the entire year, so I think you guys should buy them while you can. Speaking of wearable, clean Air Jordan 4s, this next Air Jordan 4 is so wearable and will of course remind you of a very expensive Air Jordan 4. The Air Jordan 4 Black Canvas. Black Canvas 4s will remind you of the M&M Air Jordan 4 that goes for crazy money. This Air Jordan 4 is clean, it's wearable. The black canvas is not cheap, it's not a crap material, it's thick, it has some nice quality to it. Hype was there for these, they sold out, they had a lot of demand, a lot of people wanted this Air Jordan 4. It's clean, it's wearable, and I'm sure you're gonna see a lot of people wear these throughout time. So hey, buy them if you can, while you can, because I do expect them to actually skyrocket up in price one day. The black Air Jordan 4 wave is very high, especially take a look at the black hats being so expensive and sought after. Well, I definitely think the black canvas is definitely a sought after, one day will be a sought after pair of Air Jordan 4s. Sneakerheads, check this out. This is my sole premise bag, and this bag holds 5 to 6 pairs of sneakers safely and securely when I'm traveling. Check that out. There's room, individual compartments to store my sneakers, my clothes, my laptop, my chargers. Everything I need is safe and secure inside of my sole premise bag when I'm traveling. This bag also has a bottom compartment and front compartments as well. Sole premise also makes a smaller bag that holds 1 to 2 pairs of sneakers for daily use. Sole premise also makes duffel bags, all different types of backpacks, toiletry bags. All Sole premise bags are made and designed to store your sneakers and goods safely and securely when you're traveling. There's tons of different colors, so make sure you guys check out Sole Premise's website with my link down below in the description. Click the link and use my code Danny Moore at checkout. My code, my name, Danny Moore, that will give you 40% off your entire order. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. I love my Sole Premise bags. I use them every single day, so make sure you guys check them out. There's tons of bags, tons of different styles. You're gonna find a bag that you're gonna fall in love with and use all the time. Almost a decade ago, we got the Air Jordan 4 Green Glow. Well, this year, we got the Green Glows back. This time, take away the green glow and put infrared. The infrared Air Jordan 4 is a solid pair of Air Jordan 4s that's wearable, it's clean, it does have a little bit of pop to it, and they're not going for too much on the resale market. This happens to be one of the cheapest Air Jordan 4s in this video. It's a clean wearable, everyday Jordan 4, you really can't go wrong with the infrared 4s. If you're looking for that wearable colorway, don't want to spend too much, you're looking for a clean wearable, little out there, little pop of color Air Jordan 4, I think the infrared 4 is a go-to. Potentially one day may creep up in price, but I think this is more of a personal cop. And hey, they're clean at the end of the day. In 2021, we got the Lightning Air Jordan 4, finally. Well, this year, they dropped the Thunder Air Jordan 4. However, they switched it up and put red wherever it was yellow. The Red Thunder Jordan 4 happens to be maybe even a more wearable colorway than the original Thunder 4. Prices have gone up on this Air Jordan 4. I do expect them to creep up more as time goes on. It's black, it's red, it doesn't really get much better than that. The Red Thunder 4s might even replace the original Thunder 4, and hey, maybe even the Bread 4 because of that black and red. It's clean, it's wearable. To be honest, the Red Thunders, it's a straight fire colorway. The Red Thunder 4, they're a black Jordan 4. We got the Lightnings. There's rumors that we're getting the Thunders, the actual black and yellow Thunders, next year in 2023. Hopefully, we get them. There is something that we as sneakerheads should take a note of, and that's when Jordan Brand gives us a remodel, a redesign of a classic OG, a remastered, whatever you want to call it version. Such as the Red Thunder 4, being like the original Thunder 4. The Military Black Jordan 4 being, well, the Military 4. Also done this with the Jordan 3, Black Cement 3s. They made us a gold version this year, women's exclusive. Jordan and Nike have done this a lot, and it reminds me so much of this next Air Jordan 4. The Air Jordan 4 Midnight Navy, of course, is going to remind you guys of the white cement Air Jordan 4. Take the white cement 4s, wherever there's black, there's Midnight Navy on this Midnight Navy Air Jordan 4. Guys, it's the white cement 4, just redone. This is another example of how Jordan and Nike take a model and just redo it, a new colorway, and toss it out there, and it sells out and has demand. Listen, this Jordan 4 is clean, it's wearable, you really cannot go wrong. Market's at about $300. I am expecting it to drop a little bit, not too much though, and eventually going up in price. It's a clean Air Jordan 4, quality's nice, you really can't go wrong with this colorway, this color blocking. It's the white cement 4, but with some navy hits. I haven't done a video on the Midnight Navies yet. I did get them from Sneakers app. I'm waiting for them to come in, so make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Video coming soon on the Midnight Navies. We'll talk about resale. Next up, we have the cheapest Air Jordan 4 in this video, of course, depending on size. Smaller sizes are under retail, and bigger sizes are above retail at around $300. Kind of crazy how market is, but this Air Jordan 4 is something out there. It's loud. We've never seen this Jordan 4 colorway before. We've never gotten this material on a Jordan 4 like this. It's something different and may remind you of the Travis Scott Friends and Family Jordan 4s. The Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purple. This is a women's exclusive Jordan 4, and the suede material, I must say, looks crazy good. It's thick, there's a lot of it, it's hairy, it's furry. However, this purple is not for everybody. It's very out there, it's very loud, and if you think you could pull them off, I think you should definitely go ahead and cop while you can. You have time on these. Eventually, they may creep up in price. I mean, they are going for under retail in smaller sizes. Material, the color, it's so bright, it's so out there. Check them out, see them in hand if you haven't. And hey, you may wind up liking the Canyon Purple 4s better in hand than in pictures. Don't forget they are a women's exclusive, so if you are a size 10 men, you need an 11.5 women. You go up a size and a half. In today's day and age, it's not often that we're seeing a Jordan 4 go for retail, yet alone under retail. Hey, you can't go wrong with the price point on a pair of Jordan 4s for under retail. Check out the Canyon Purples, see them in hand, and decide, hey, if you like them or not. The Ma Maniére Air Jordan 3. With the success of the 3s, the 1s, the 2s, we are getting the 4s. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, these 4s are going to sell out. Had a lot of hype, a lot of demand. Resell will be decent. It's not gonna be too crazy, but they will be profitable. It's a straight fire pair of Air Jordan 4s. Ma Maniére has been killing it on their Jordan collaborations, and they're back again with the Air Jordan 4. This time, it looks incredible. The quality looks crazy. The whole entire upper is one solid color. They look great. I can't wait to get my hands on them and bring them to you guys here on the channel. So make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, join the More family. The Ma Maniére 4's will be coming to the channel when they drop. I need them. They're a must-have. I have to add them to the Ma Maniére collection. I have the 3's, I have the 1's. I passed on the 2's, but I definitely need the 4's. After the drop, I think you guys should cop the Ma Maniére Air Jordan 4's. I think it's a straight fire sneaker, a great collector's piece to add to your Ma Maniére collection, and it's just a great overall Air Jordan 4 that's gonna have some hype, demand to it, and it's gonna be one of the best Jordan 4's to release this year. Hit that like button, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, join the More family. The giveaway winner is gonna be announced in 2 videos from now, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Smash that subscribe button, get your giveaway entries in, like this video, subscribe, leave a comment down below for a chance to win a free pair of the Travis Scott Reverse Mocha Jordan 1 lows. This giveaway is completely free, and watch out for scammers. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.